I have an algorithm that writes a lot of booleans to a destination stream. Writing booleans is not very efficient if you use a single byte per a boolean, because a bool can only have two values, a true and false, so you're essentially wasting 7 bits every time you write a boolean. You basically only need this amount of bytes to store the data of the following lengths. Therefore, I simply keep shifting that byte one by one until I accumulate the 7 bits and keep adding to the buffer. I think the whole thing looks pretty efficient. You could try to optimize this algorithm, but there is not much space, to be honest. But what if I told you that I found a way to make this algorithm much faster? Basically, going from 869 nanosecond to 107.4 nanoseconds. That's about 8 times faster. Do you want to know how I did this? Well, the answer is the hardware intrinsics. If you haven't noticed, this method I just showed you is called encode on CPU. So there must be one to encode on GPU, right? Well, almost. Not exactly GPU, but I called it encode HWX, standing for encode on hardware. The way it works is, first I will check that hardware acceleration is enabled, and if it is, I will start splitting the incoming data into a set of vectors. This is how many vectors I will have. Based on the size of the incoming data, I will load each vector from the incoming data array and then use the hardware accelerated instruction, extract most significant bits, which essentially returns you a number so that I can write that number back to the destination stream, and so on and so on. I will do pretty much the same thing if vector 512 is not available, and as a last resort, I will just call encode on CPU. Therefore, if we have hardware acceleration on our CPUs, which is pretty much on anything released in the last 10 or 20 years, the Boolean encoding will be 8 times faster.